Hey guys, David with Grandpa's Garage here with my Honda Easy Start push mower. This is a 1978 model. This is actually the first model that Honda ever put out a push behind lawnmower. Up here we got a throttle levers and a choke, speed control for our self-propelled, and of course the infamous key start. Come down here, we got the housing for our drive shaft for self-propel, and of course your bag. Let's go ahead and start her up. There's my mower. Go ahead and hit subscribe for future videos.